Okay guys, let's check our little birds out, the plants out, and what's happening out there. Let's check the road out, guys. See what's up and above. Them grackles and them behaving bad, as you guys see. Okay guys, while you guys watch, I'm about to fix some food for my husband and me for we to have lunch. I know it's a late lunch today. We were laying all the time just relaxing. Husband pressure high. Okay. Make some tea, but you're in a hurry.
Oh, that's okay.
It's okay. I wanted to have something warm to drink.
I thought you'd in the microwave.
See now if you want. It is be faster in this.
Oh. Okay. She rinse it out.
That clean. I used it this morning.
You used it this morning for what?
For my tea this morning.
Well,
What happened is that I fixed everything and I didn't fix my tea. And I had to get it in a quick hurry. So I put it for a minute. And I put some of this to hot and I just add the water. I know it don't make much sense to you, but I'm turn this one. The two drop in here. What I do?
oops.
Oopsie doodles. Yes, to get it smelled. Right. Get two plate.
Spaghetti. Huh?
You can eat it? Yeah.
Oh, I need to put the clothes in the dry air.
You good?
You can be right back. Huh?
You want a little bit of food or how you want it? Just like yesterday?
Yesterday was good.
Okay.
Thank you, dear. No beans.
No beans. Hey, the squirrel come and he take over the bowl.
Yeah.
You saw that?
No, I'm not surprised.
Yeah, he take over the bowl. He like these grackles can't play me right now. Sharda calling.